Hi, in this demo I'm going to walk you through how to create and add a metric to a DS dashboard from APM. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is to go into APM and select a metric. So let's do that now. So we're going to go in here, we're going to open up APM and we're going to go over to the metric view and we're going to pick a metric. In this case I'm going to pick an infrastructure metric. Down here we're going to pick good old standard total CPU percentage utilization. Okay, so there we have it. Alright, the thing you're going to notice is you have up here, this is the metric name. Okay, so you want to grab that, and then I'm just going to open up a little notepad here, and so you can see me do this. I'm going to paste this guy in here. Okay, and we're just going to take that first part of it, and we are going to split it into two pieces. So there is everything up to where it says agent, so everything from superdomain to agent, and then we have everything from system edge onwards. Okay. Okay, having that stashed away in my notepad, what we're going to do now is we're going to go to DX dashboards here from the launchpad. I'm going to create a new dashboard. We're going to add a query to it. Okay. And then I'm going to select the AIOps metrics database, data source. This is going to have my metrics in it. I'm going to open the advanced query builder. And in the advanced query builder, you'll notice there are two things here. One is the source name specifier and the second is the attribute name specifier. Okay, so this marries up with what I just copied here. This is the source name specifier. So this bit from superdomain to agent is the source name specifier. And I'm going to do another thing that's important, an exact match. Okay, we'll do regexes later. Regexes are pretty obvious if you can do an exact match. And then we're going to go back to my notepad and I'm going to take the second metric here. I'm going to copy that in there, paste that guy down there. Okay, and that is going to give me my two parts of the agent name and the agent. Okay, and then what? Yes, I need to set that to exact. There we go. And now we should be good. There we go. Okay. Yep, good. Did you see that? Just make sure, I keep getting tripped up on that, just make sure you set both to exact match. And now you can see my panel title here. Okay, now what I'm going to do, that's all good. I'll now show you how that looks. So we're going to go back. Now at the dashboard level, and we've got this panel here, and we can see, you know, it says total CPU percentage. All right. Now I want to do a little bit of finishing up here. I want to change the name, right, so that I've got the correct name. So let's do that. So we're going to edit this. We're going to change two things. We're going to change first, go to General tab here and change the name. And this is going to be utilization, right? Okay. And then the other thing I'm going to do, so I wanted to change it because it's a percentage utilization. I want to put the scale from 0 to 100. So I'm going to do that there. And now you see the Y scales change from 0 to 100. And then I go back. And now you can see I have a CPU utilization metric scaled from 1 to 100 over time. Easy as that. Next thing I want to do is save this dashboard as and name it. Metric demo. Saved. Cool. Okay, and that is the basics of setting up an APM metric into DX dashboards.